You won't believe how much Blue Chip Savings has evolved in 2026. Most people think savings apps are all the same, but Blue Chip combines high interest rates, smart automation, and goal-focused tools that make saving money almost effortless. Blue Chip allows you to set multiple financial goals, whether it's an emergency fund, a vacation, or a down payment on a house. Its smart algorithms automatically allocate your deposits toward each goal, helping your money grow efficiently. Even small, regular contributions can add up faster than expected thanks to compound interest. The app's dashboard is intuitive and easy to navigate. It gives real-time insights into your savings, tracks your spending, and highlights areas where you could save more. Notifications alert you to upcoming bills or unusual activity, which makes staying on top of your finances simpler than ever. Security is strong. Blue Chip uses multi-factor authentication, bank-level encryption, and continuous fraud monitoring. All deposits are FDIC insured, and customer support is available through chat or email for any questions. The main limitation: Blue Chip focuses on saving and budgeting. If you are looking for investment options or stock trading, you'll need a separate platform. But for anyone wanting a modern, automated, and secure way to save, Blue Chip is a solid choice. So, is Blue Chip Savings app worth it in 2026? Absolutely. If you want an easy, automated, and secure way to grow your money, Blue Chip delivers. Subscribe for more reviews of apps and tools that make managing money smarter.